Hi, hello everyone. I am Prashant Nandam. Welcome back to our channel. As a part of our AWS Masterclass series, today we will see session 13 and part 3. In our previous videos, we have seen part 1 as system manager and part 2 as event bridge. And now we will go with part 3, which is CloudWatch monitoring. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I request you all to watch, and I kindly request you all to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now, if you see, CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service for AWS service and applications, and it collects metrics like CPU, memory, and logs, and it allows you to monitor performance and create alarms, and it also let you trigger automated actions. And let's create an EC2 instance. Click on EC2 in the console and select the region which is closest to you. Click on launch instance. I'll be creating my demo. EC2 demo is my name, instance name, and I'll go with Amazon Linux. I'll select filter eligibility. Keep pair. Let me see if I have any. I'll create a new key pair. Key pair is used to log in to your EC2 instance, and after creating this EC2 instance, if you want to connect to this instance via PuTTY or any other, you need to have a key pair. Okay, give a name, key pair name Amazon EC2. I will be connecting via PuTTY if needed, so I'll be selecting ppk file. Click create key pair. It will be downloaded into your downloads. Network settings. I'll be going with my custom. If you're not aware how to create custom VPC as subnet security groups, I request you all to watch our previous AWS videos. There I have clearly explained how to create security groups, internet gateway, NAT gateway, public subnet, private subnet, and all those things. I have selected my existing security group. I have assigned enable public IP. The subnet is public subnet. It's in our custom VPC. Let's launch the instance. Okay, some issue with AMI. Let's change it. I have selected a launch server with SQL, right? That is not supported with free tier, it seems. Let's change it. Okay, let's see our is there any changes happen to our previous configurations. Yeah, we need to select existing security group. Let's verify the key pair as well. Yeah, it's correct. Launch instance. Now it will launch. Click on instance. Let's wait till it passes 2 by 2 check. It's showing as running. Let's see if we can connect using console. Cool, we are able to. And you can also try connecting with SSM manager, where we have previously explained. If you're not aware, please watch that video as well. The session 13 part 1 is related to system manager and SSM agent. Now we have EC2 instance which is running. Now what we need to do, we need to create a CloudWatch monitoring, correct? click on CloudWatch. Let me duplicate this tab before. I'll go to EC2 once. Instances. If you see, the EC2 instance already have some metrics. Okay, here what I'm going to do, click on these actions, monitoring and troubleshooting, manage detailed monitoring. Enable this detailed monitoring. If you see, after you enable detailed monitoring, the Amazon EC2 console displays monitoring graphs with a minute period of the instance. If not, it will show 5 minutes or more than that. So just to avoid consuming more time, I am enabling this. Cool, we have enabled the detailed monitoring as well. Now go to CloudWatch, click alarms, click on create alarm. Now we have to set metrics here. Okay, for which one we are doing? For EC2 per instance metric. Let's copy instance ID and search with instance ID here. This is our instance. Click on this instance, click select metrics. Not metadata, we need CPU utilization. So I'm selecting my EC2 name. You can filter, you can search with the name or the instance ID and select as CPU utilization and then click select alarm. Okay. Time period I want with 1 minute. Let it be average itself. I am going with the static. Whenever the CPU utilization is greater than 10%, I need to get a notification. How we will be getting notification? With the help of SNS topic. We discussed this in our part 2 as well. I will be creating a new topic. Let it be same. Provide your email address. Click create topic because it will create a new topic. Okay. Once you click on create topic, open your Gmail. In your Gmail, you will be receiving a email to confirm. This one. See, confirm subscription. Subscription has been confirmed for default CloudWatch. Now we have confirmed the email for SNS topic. Okay, you can select EC2 actions as well. When the alarm triggers, what needs to happen? Stop the instance immediately. Which means whenever the CPU utilization goes greater than 10, the instance will automatically go to stop state. That's what it will do. Click on next. Give name for your alarm. CPU is greater than 10. Always ensure that you provide a name which describes the topic or the which explains the thing which you are doing in short, so that other users or other engineerings can understand it easily. Let's write some sentence here. Hello, the EC2 CPU is greater than 10%. The instance is being stopped. The instance is stopped. Let's make it as stopped itself. Stopped. Then kindly take action immediately. Click on next. See, verify the things again. This is in AWS EC2 for CPU utilization, instance ID, instance name, period is 1 minute, static greater than 10, notification when alarm send to this one, EC2 action, stop instance. This is the description. Click on create alarm. The alarm is created. Great. Now what we have to do? We have to increase the CPU state. I mean, we have to increase the CPU usage. If you verify top here, no stress is applied on the CPU. So to do that, take a duplicate tab. I have added a command here. If you see where it is, this one, sudo m install stress. It will install stress in our instance. Cool. Stress has been increased. Now what you have to do? We have to apply stress. To do that, we have a command. Just give me a moment. I'll show you. You have to run sudo stress hyphen CPU for CPUs and then timeout is 180. It is dispatching the stress. If you see CPU percent now, it will increase. See, it is been increased. Now go to our alarm. CPU action is enabled. State is okay. Now here click on monitoring, alarm recommendations. You can see it here. How much stress is being applied now? 0.169. Let's wait for some time. See here, the system will power off now, which means it's already reached. Sometimes the graph, see, it will take a while to reflect here. If you see 43.11% is the CPU right now, and what we have mentioned, trigger an alarm when CPU is greater than 10%. If you see now, action is enabled, state in alarm, which means the alarm is being sent. Go to emails, you will be receiving an email. See, CPU is greater than 10 in Mumbai. Why in Mumbai? Our region is Mumbai and our EC2 instance in that region. See, you are receiving this email because your Amazon CloudWatch alarm CPU is greater than 10 in the region has entered alarm state. Verify here in alarm state. That's why it is mentioning. And threshold is here greater than the threshold. It will provide you details as well. This is the name which we have mentioned and this is the description. Hello, this EC2 CPU is greater than 10%. The instance is stopped. Kindly take action immediately. State OK to alarm. Reason for state change. CPU has been increased the threshold. You can find timestamp all those things. Cool. Now go to EC2 instance. You will be seeing instance is stopped. Refresh this page. Stopped. Alarm details you can find here, I believe. Let's see. See, we are able to see the alarm details as well. That is how you will receive notifications from EC2 using CloudWatch monitoring when there is a CPU utilization high and any other. It is not only for CPU utilization, you can change as per your requirement in the organization. You can monitor the instance and you can try playing with them a while and let me know if you face any issues. That's it from my end for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.